History made. North Carolina declares June 14th as Igbo Day. In a historic move, the governor of North Carolina, Josh Stein, officially proclaimed June 14th, 2025 as Igbo Day, honoring the rich legacy, resilience, and contributions of the Igbo people of Nigeria. For over 50 years, Igbos in North Carolina have made their mark in education, medicine, law, engineering, tech, public service, and more. This is more than just a proclamation. It's a recognition of excellence, hard work, and identity. It's a proud moment, not just for Igbos in the U.S., but for all Africans in the diaspora. Let the world hear it loud and clear. Igbo kwenu. But let's reflect on this. Had Nigerian states truly acknowledged and embraced the value and contributions of the Igbo people, Nigeria would be a much more united, prosperous, and progressive country than what we see today. Sadly, many of our own leaders, especially some Igbo politicians, have neglected the Southeast, not investing in infrastructure, education, or economic development. Because of this, many Igbos have been forced to build their success far from home, instead of bringing their talents, innovation, and economic value back to the region. Umu Igbo. This is what I say, let me share with us. Let's continue to rise, speak truth, and uplift each other wherever we are. Don't forget to share and follow Man is God to Man TV. Ya Gasia.